How to install 7-Zip on Windows 11 Quick and Easy Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to IT Next. If you need a powerful and free file compression tool, 7-Zip is a great choice. In this video, I'll show you how to install 7-Zip on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, we need to download 7-Zip. Open your web browser and type in 7-Zip. Go to the official 7-Zip website at 7zip.org. Once you're on the website, you'll see a list of download options. Choose the version that matches your system architecture, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Most modern systems will be 64-bit. Click on the download link to start the download. Once the download is complete, let's run the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to run the installer. Now, let's go through the installation setup. In the Setup window, choose the installation location or leave it as default, then click Install. The installation process is very quick. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now, let's verify that 7-Zip is installed correctly. To do this, click on the Start menu and type 7-Zip in the search bar. You should see the 7-Zip file manager in the results. Click on it to open. And that's it. You've successfully installed 7-Zip on Windows 11 and learned the basics of how to use it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to IT Next channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.